Step number 7.3, the third team member will make the line chart for the PE or price to earnings ratio, and right beside the PE and DE ratio. We're going to name it PE. We're going to put the legend on the right. We're going to put the best minimum line as a black dotted line. So to show you what I'm talking about, it's this one right here. It's going to go from line 19-ish down to line 35. It's going to go from column G to L. It's going to, here's the legend on the right. Don't worry about the colors of the different variables. We're going to fix those later. But the dotted line we're going to have as that, which is the best minimum, which is 20, is going to be a black dotted line. So the shortcuts we're going to use for this, we're going to go Control G to select, to go to where our data is, and Control A to select all that data, the PE data. We're going to go Alt F1 to create a chart, which is initially going to be a bar chart, but we're going to fix that. We're going to move the chart with arrows and shift arrows to resize it, although just to let you know, this is really slow, and also this does it to increments that don't quite fit exactly what we want. So at the end, we're going to have to use our mouse to nudge it. And Alt-J-C to make the changes, like changing it from a bar chart, and fixing the data and the legend and the chart title, all those kind of things. And just a heads up, there's going to be a couple of places where we have to use a mouse, either because it's extremely inefficient in Excel Online or it's not possible. There's bugs. Sorry about that. So Shift Control Tab. And let's go to our PE data, which I see starts in cell A19. So Control G, A19, Control A to select all the data. Notice it selects all the PE data because there is a blank line in line 27, and so it only grabs the contiguous cells. So Alt F1 to create the chart, and I'm going to move it about in the middle position, left to right with my arrows, and I'm going to move it down in about the middle position. Let's just see where we are. D, it's about right there. And I'm going to use Shift up arrow to make it tall, and Shift left arrow to make it about the right size. And then I'm going to have to use my mouse to nudge it. So get the right size there, and there. There, it's the right size. It's in position. Other people are going to be making charts around us, so we're trying to stay in our lane. So Alt J C, and I'm just going to go across the top. The very first one, W, I'm going to switch the rows and columns because it thinks that it wants companies as the x-axis, and I don't. I want the years as the x-axis. So W for that. And it doesn't quite have the years of the x-axis. It just says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll fix that next. Alt J C with E, select data. And I'm going to, and this is one of the places where you need to use a mouse, is change the horizontal axis field to the PE. You might think, wait, why PE? Because PE has all the numbers, the years, 2020 to 2024. So that puts the years there. And then we have to get rid of it as one of the column values, B19 to F19. Get rid of it there. Good. Then I'm going to click back on our chart, then back to the next one, Alt-J-C, and this time it's M for the type of chart, and we want a line chart. And then the next thing we're going to change is the chart title, Alt-J-C, and AC for chart, E for edit, Shift Tab to get back up to where we're going to type it, and P/price/earnings. Enter. And then the legend, Alt-J-C, legend is AL, and we want R for right. Great. Now, click on the best minimum, 20, it's right here, and go to Format, and change the outline to black. And then hit Outline again, scroll down to the bottom, and choose dashes. And we can just get rid of this now, and we got it.